welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and it feels so good to finally be back in front of the camera. I feel like all my videos have been me more behind the scenes and just kind of chatting but not really showing my face. So I'm finally glad to be back, and today we're doing a November Boxycharm unboxing and review. I already have a few of these products already on my face. I really wanted to give you a genuine unboxing and review, not just put them on and I'll tell you guys how these products worked for me later, but more so how they worked for me now. So let's just jump straight into the video and straight into this review. So unboxing it, like I don't know what's in here, right? The first thing I should mention is that the theme this month is the stellar theme, and the variation of my box this month is variation number 1, if that helps anyone. And the first thing I also see is this Becca little foundation tester. So what they're doing is they're customizing the box to have concealers or foundation that match our skin tone. So they wanted to get a little tester out so I can try it and let them know which shade worked for me the best for future foundations and products that they might send out to me. So that's cute. I'm gonna definitely try this out and get back to them. And the next thing in the box is the Boxycharm brushes, their own line of products, and it just so happened to be a brush little set. And I did use these products. The claim on this, before I tell you how I feel about it, is the Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. Create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, and powders and mineral products. And the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. This ultra soft brush was handcrafted, synthetic, and also cruelty-free. It's a super soft brush. It has nice weight to it, so you can tell it's not like a cheap type of brush. But the only thing is that I preferably rather use it for powders and not so much liquids or creams. I did use the foundation brush to apply foundation on the right side of my face, and it was kind of streaky. I don't know, I'm not huge into using brushes in general to apply foundation. I'm more so a sponge type of girl to apply my liquids and all that. So that was my only thing with it. But to apply powders, I absolutely loved it. I applied some face powder with this. I dusted off some setting powder, and it worked so nice. So I would more so use these brushes personally for powdered products, not so much liquids or creams. But that's personal preference, you know what I mean? But these brushes retail for $35, and they were super nice. The next product that I want to talk about is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette. This palette is so beautiful. I'm wearing it on my eyes today. I love it. It's so gorgeous. Let me read the claims before I get into my review on it. But it says the Celestial Thunder palette is an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils, with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. This vibrantly made shadows tell a cosmic story and bring your universe to life. I love it. I agree with it. It's such a beautiful color story. I played around with the cooler tones in the palette because I'm always, you know me, I love my golds, I love my warm tones. So I wanted to do something different. So I decided to create a cool tone look using the palette. So I used these 3 shades right here, and I also used this beautiful champagne type of glitter in my inner corner. I love this palette. It's so beautiful. Like it said, the pigment is there. It blended out beautifully. It's buttery. I just love it. And I never tried any of Dominique Cosmetics cosmetic eyeshadow palettes. This is my first one. I did try their lip gloss, and it did not disappoint. So yeah, this is awesome. And if I didn't mention, it retails for $35. Love it. The next product in the box is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Press Highlighter. It says, an award-winning highlighter palette with an ultra buttery texture that melts into your skin for an ultimate high-impact glow. It retails for $38, and the shade that I got is Vanilla Quartz. I love it. I'm not a stranger to Becca products or Becca highlighters themselves. I own a few in my stash, and I love them. Like, oh, I love this one. Didn't disappoint at all. It's so pretty. It's more of a, I would say, kind of dual shade because it reflects different, but it's so pretty. It has more of a goldy base with pink reflexes in it. I am wearing it right now. It blended perfectly, like it said, super buttery, smooth formula, so beautiful. You can build it up or have it kind of toned down so it can be a light highlight type of look, not too beaming, but you can definitely build it up to have that beaming type of look. I love this. So beautiful, so beautiful. Becca never disappoints, and I'm so happy that I got it in this month's Boxycharm. Super excited about that. The next product that I got in the box is something that I chose in the beginning of October when they were giving us that little choice window. The Juicy Beauty Organic Solution Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Such a long name, but this is what it is. It's super nice and feels nice and luxe. I haven't tried the actual product, but the actual packaging feels super luxe, so you know, it's nice. It has this type of applicator. You kind of press down, the product comes out from the top, and you apply it directly to your under eye area and your eye area in general. But the claims on this: a blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused with organic antioxidant-rich botanical juices work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. Literally everything that I need. The retail price for this is $50, so honey, you know that's expensive. It's Boxycharm. They really never disappoint, especially with their skincare products. So I'm super excited to try this out tonight up and kind of incorporate it into my skincare. So super excited about this. The last product that we got in the box are two eye masks. One is for the morning and the other one is for the evening. The claims on this is Vitamask Morning and Evening Eye Mask Set. Claims on the morning mask is a cooling eye mask to brighten and depuff, infused with anti-pollution and anti-blue light protection. This eye mask is ideal for those on the go. And the evening one claims an ultra relaxing eye mask that is made to aid in repairing the delicate eye area and to smooth fine lines. Made with centella and hyaluronic acid, this mask is perfect companion to your nightly routine. And this retails for $12. I believe $12 maybe together, $12 separate, not sure. But I'm excited to try these out. I love masks in general, and especially anything that has to do with eyes, because I do suffer from fine lines and little crow's feet. You know, I am getting older, hello. But it's nice to get this in my Boxycharm and, you know, incorporate it into my skincare. So I'm excited for these. The total value of this month's box came out to be over $170. I feel like the most things I was excited for was the Celestial palette and the Becca highlight, because you know me, I love a good highlight, and that eyeshadow palette, girl, bomb. As you can see, I created this look with it. I am not mad. I love everything. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed my unboxing video, I know you guys are probably flooded with a bunch of unboxing videos, but I thought I should share my opinion and how everything worked out for me. So I thought I should share. If you guys like this video and would like to continue seeing videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to also hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.